Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the fitsnack box. Now this is a monthly subscription box and it sends you healthy snacks. I've seen drinks in it, I've seen healthy bars, I've seen healthy protein chips, really anything that could come in this box. Now I haven't peeked yet, so I'm not really sure what's in the box, but let's go ahead and get it open and see what we have this month. Now this is my first time getting this box and I will go ahead and leave all of the pricing and shipping information down in the description below. And if there's a coupon available, I will go ahead and leave that down there for you guys too, in case you're interested in getting your own box. But as soon as I opened it, the first thing I see here are these K-pop chips. So we've got these here. Now, if we look at the back, it says 1 serving for 1 bag, and it is 130 calories, 5 fat, 19 carbs, 3 grams of sugar, includes 3 added sugars, and 2 grams of protein. Now, if you ask me, this isn't really a fitness snack. I don't feel like I could go to the grocery store and buy this myself. I was thinking more like hoping we would be getting some protein bars this month, but let's just check out the rest of the items that are in the box. More chips. So the next thing that I have here are these Uglies kettle chips, and they are jalapeno. I'm not hating the flavor. I do love jalapeno chips, and I do like that they're kettle baked because I like a really good crunchy chip. So I'm not hating that. They are gluten-free, it says there. And if we look on the back, this is 1 serving, and it also says there's 270 calories, 13 grams of fat, 34 carbs, 2 fibers, and there's 1 added sugar in it. Total of 1 sugar, 5 grams of protein. Again, I wouldn't really call this a fitness-related snack, but I'm still going to eat it. Ooh, then we have some more of those Uglies kettle chips, and these are in the flavor sea salt. So I'm not hating these chips. I mean, I would eat them, but if I want a bag of chips, I'm going to go buy a bag of chips, you know. Again, 1 serving size, 280 calories, 14 grams of fat, 34 carbs, 2 fibers, no sugar in this one, and 5 grams of protein. So, I mean, I guess there's some protein in there, right? Now, let me know if you guys consider this fitness-related food or not, but so far we're 0 for 3, I feel like. Then we have another keto-friendly item here, and it says these are the Bubba's Fine Food Sweet Glazed Keto Nut Mix. Now, this is more getting towards healthy food. I feel like, you know, we've got some nuts in there. It almost reminds me of like a granola mix that you would put in your yogurt or something like that. The flavor is maple cinnamon praline, so that sounds delicious. And on the back here, it says this is 1 serving, total of 180 calories, 16 fat, 11 carbs, 1 sugar, and 6 protein. So this one has a little bit more protein in it. And we're getting more towards, you know, a fitness related item. I feel like this would be more something I would reach for when I'm looking for a healthy snack rather than some chips. Those are like my Saturday night snacks. This is sort of like the Tuesday afternoon snack that I should be reaching for. Now, the next thing we have 2 of here. These are from the bakery on Main. It says they are monster cookies. And I got 2 of them, but as you guys can probably see, they are super crushed up. So I got more granola, I guess. But I don't mind that because I could still eat it out of the bag here. I don't care if it's a cookie shape or not. But that's okay. Oh, and it says there's dark chocolate, nuts and sprinkles, and 16 grams of whole grain per serving. So I'm assuming 1 bag is 1 serving. Yes, 1 serving per packet. It's 140 calories, 5 grams of fat, 20 carbs, 7 sugars, and includes 7 added sugars, and 3 grams of protein. So I'm not sure why there's 7 grams of added sugar in here. So we got 2 of those, and then the next thing I see here is this Miracle Tree Organic Moringa Superfood Energy Infusion. It's in peach apricot, moringa, and mint tea. That sounds good, actually. So that's what that looks like. And on the back, it actually says it contains 1 protein and 1 carb, and that's it. It says it's a superfood herbal tea, ingredients with a purpose, energy without the crash, no GMOs and gluten-free, vitalizing amino acids, and powerful antioxidants. And it says you get 16 energy pyramid bags there. Okay, and then on the back here, you can see different levels of caffeine, and of course I got the super caffeinated one. Now I am a little sensitive to caffeine. I do have a cup of coffee in the morning, but then after that, I've got to be pretty careful with it. So we'll see how these go. This would probably something I would take in the morning after a workout or something like that. But I'm still interested to give them a try. And I just want to show you guys the pamphlet that came this month. So it does show all of the snacks there. And on the back, it actually comes with some workout information. So it gives you sort of like a workout to do for the month, which I think is really cool. They call it a fitness challenge. I actually really like that that comes with it. So yeah, that's everything that came in this month's box. And to be honest, I don't think I'm going to be getting this box again. It's not really what I expected, especially when you go to look at product reviews or box reviews of this. They were much more heavily like protein bar based that I was seeing. Now, some of those reviews are like months old, so I get that things change over time. But to me, this is definitely not a fitness related box. Yes, you've got some snacks on them, but I wouldn't consider those like fitness snacks. Am I going to eat them? Heck yeah. But it's not what I was expecting. And for the amount of money that I paid for it, I honestly don't think it's worth the purchase again for me. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, but I probably will be canceling this box. But don't worry, I still have quite a few fitness boxes coming. And make sure you check out my channel page to see the other fitness boxes. And I'll try to maybe link them down below in the description as well for you guys. But I hope you enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.